Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to control your Samsung TV without remote. Okay, pay attention, it's so easy and really fast in this time. For example, this is my control, my mobile, okay, not is a normal control. And look at that, your volume, okay, or more volume, can you see that, it's so difficult because, more volume, or if you want example, open another app like Twitch. Now can you see that it's so easy and really fast? You just need to find in your app store or your play store some app like Samsung remote control or LG remote control. I have LG TV, okay, doesn't matter because you can find different apps. Example, LG remote on. If you open here, okay, let me try search for you one app here, and here you can write Samsung remote, and you can find different options, okay, with the 34,000 reviews. Is a great app. Or this not 4,000 reviews is perfect, okay. You can find different apps, only need a try, and this is all. It's so easy and really fast. Sorry for my bad English, and have a good day. See you later.